Today we're gonna make slime. Well, first we need to open
What are your materials? What do you need to make a slime?
We need this and this.
What's that?
This is the liquid.
Activator?
This is the liquid activator, and this is the glue.
Okay, and then you have there, what's that?
This is a plastic spoon and a plastic bowl.
Okay.
We need to put the glue inside the bowl first. There's gonna be a crazy noise. What's next is the liquid. So we need to open the liquid and put all of it.
That's the magical liquid. It says there on the...
Yeah, magical liquid.
It's
So
just,
we need to put all of it inside.
yeah.
Someone put slime inside.
Yeah, just continue.
It looks like it's a swimming pool and someone put slime inside. And it's so gooey. So my mommy's doing some cookies. So I need to do this by myself. Oh, it's becoming slime. Smash it. Eee. So I'm gonna mix this a little bit more and get the...
Careful, put it down.
Okay. Whoa. Good. Slimy. Whoa. It's sticking. So the results are good, but I need a little bit more mixing, so it won't make time. Subscribe.
Bye.
Goodbye, and like the video. If you want more, just subscribe and like. Down below. Bye-bye.